Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're one of my lovely returning viewers, then it's so good to have you here, and if you're one of the new people, welcome. There's tons of videos for you to rifle through on this channel, and there's DIY, there's fashion, there's makeup, there's all sorts of things. I've even done a bit of music as well, so if you're interested in music, have a look at that playlist. Anyway, before we go much further, I'd just like to say, do please remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you'd like to buy me a drink, go right ahead. Thank you to everybody that already has, it's very much appreciated. This week, I'm going to be showing you a few things, not very many, because obviously, you know, I don't go out and do massive hauls of stuff. I just like to pick up the odd thing here and there. And this week I've got 3 things to show you. A beautiful hat, some shoes which I have janed up, and some jeans. So if you'd like to see how I picked up just, you know, fairly ordinary things from fairly ordinary places and turned them into something a little bit alternative, then do please keep on watching. So the first thing I want to show you is a hat, and it's from Kate's Clothing, that lovely online store. It's called a summer fedora. It's made of paper yarn and polyester, and it's a fedora because of the shape here, and it's like a summer straw hat basically, and you can wear it like so, or more like that. If you've got big ears, tuck them in. And I really like it. I like it a tremendous lot. I'm going to put something here on the brim, on the band which is on there, maybe a brooch, or maybe make something. I might put some ribbons down the back or some lace or something like that. It was in their clearance section, so I got it for not very much. Plus I had built up quite a few points shopping online with them, so I could redeem my points against this purchase as well. So summer fedora hat, all set and ready to go. The next thing is these rather lovely jeans. See, pockets, the whole shebang, and they are from Primark, of course. They are called denim coated straight high waist jeans. I got them in a 10 because even though Primark are erring on the side of super generous with their sizing, I think I need a 10 these days. I had some jeans before which I threw away when I got these because one in, one out, and they were a number of sizes smaller, and they were really not very comfortable at all. These in a 10, I mean, I could slightly move about inside them, which is odd, but I really like them. As I say, they're coated with this sort of not very shiny plasticky sort of coating, so they're sort of like leather look, but they're not, if you know what I mean. And of course I got them reduced. They were £17. I got them for £5. So, you know, and I even asked the girl in the changing room whether I should get them, whether I could get away with them, and she persuaded me that I could. So, thank you, Primark. The final thing is these shoes, and I will show you these in close-ups, but they are cheap Chinese DM knockoffs that I got from my local Oxfam shop for the stunning price of £7.99. I have put some jewellery on them which is a word I learned from the lovely Orly Shani, the DIY designer on YouTube. And I made some chains with some crosses and some bats to go round them, just so they're, you know, more me than they would have been ordinarily. So here are the boots DM knockoffs that I was telling you about. As you can see, they haven't got a zip or anything to help with doing up. They've just got laces. They're quite shiny, plastic, nice grips on the bottom, and ordinary laces. But here we have the aforementioned shoelery, which is basically a chain with a bat and let's see how many, 1, 2 crosses. Maybe one's fallen off. I'm sure I put 3 on. Well, there's 3 on the other one anyway. And what you do is you measure how long you want it when you've got the boot done up, which is obviously going to have to be longer for when you want to take it off if you're leaving it on there. So I measured that when I've got it done up, it'll be about here. I've put a little lobster clasp on, and then an extension chain, which is dark metal so that you can't really see it against the boot, so that when it is done up, it's done up like so, and you can see all your hanging doodads around it. So originally this was done with like party shoes, high-heeled shoes and diamantes and things like that, but obviously I haven't got any high-heeled party shoes anymore. I did have some from my wedding 23 years ago, but with my new hip I can't really wear heels anymore, so I gave them to the daughter of a very good friend. So you remember Jo, the author who wrote the Cancer Ladies Running Club. I gave it to her to give to her daughter, gave them to her rather, and they were beautiful Shelley's black lace high-heeled shoes that I wore for my wedding. Anyway, that's a whole nother story. Back to the outfit. This wonderful t-shirt is also an Oxfam shop find, and I don't know if I've worn it in a video before or not, but if you know what film it comes from, you know. If you know, you know. And this choker, I believe, is from one of my previous videos, which I will also link. I don't wear it very often, but I've just put it on just now to wear with this, and I've decided I really, really like it. So here is my outfit. I hope you enjoy. So there you have it. A beautiful hat, some rather special boots, and of course my wonderful Primoche bargain of those jeans. I hope this has given you some ideas about where to buy things, how to zhuzh things up a bit, and you don't always have to go, you know, to expensive places to buy stuff. It's always good to purchase from sites that give you points as well, so that you can build them up and then buy things with them. And please be inspired, especially all my older viewers who I know you're out there and you're thinking, shall I get that thing out of the back of the wardrobe that I didn't really think I wanted to wear? Well, I did want to wear it, but so-and-so always said I can't wear it because I'm too old. Get it, do it, and rock it. Okay, take care everybody. Don't forget to kiss your cats and dogs and chinchillas and snakes and spiders and hamsters and guinea pigs and bunny rabbits and all the pets you have. Kiss them for me. Stay strange, my friends. Whatever is in your heart that you know to be right, follow that. See you next time.